Without any effort, I just created this SEO optimized web page on my WordPress website. So if you also have a WordPress website, I suggest you stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you literally the best solution, the easiest solution to modify, to enhance the SEO of your WordPress with only one simple tool. So the very first step is to log into ChatSEO. Then you will go on Manage My Sites. Here, it's connected to your Google Search Console, so you will just check for the site you want to optimize. Then you will click Add Site. Here, the tool is going to fetch the content of the website, the business model, the CMS, the competitors, the writing styles, also all the SEO pages included in your sitemap. So you just check these small categories, these quick categories, and then you will go here, you will click on your CMS like this. Then you will click Connect with WordPress. Okay, so here I'm already logged into my WordPress website, so I just have to click on Yes, I approve this connection. Then you will get me back here to the page. You will just have to download the ChatSEO plugin. So I already done it, but I can do it twice here. And then you will click on Open WordPress, and you will land here. So in this interface, you can just upload a plugin. So you will just take the zip here, the zip file. You will upload it there, and here you will click on Install Now, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Then you activate the plugin and you're all set up. So now you can just stay on ChatSEO, and you will just ask it, for example, hello, I'd like to create a new SEO optimized page that can drive me qualified traffic. And you will see, so for the little context here, it's a French website that I have, and I will start to publish English content on it, because now, thanks to this AI, this is so easy. So I'd like you, or actually I will do it a vocal message. So I'd like you now to check for my top performing SEO, French SEO web pages, and we'll just basically duplicate them into English speaking web pages. Okay, so I'll just ask it that. Quick notes about our tool. As you can see here, it's a pretty basic SEO article, but we are improving it right now. So you will have attractive images inside the post, etc. The other thing is that if you're interested into ChatSEO, you just have to click on a link on the description. I will give you 20% of discount on your first month, and you also have 5 free credits if you don't want to pay for the moment. You can try it by your own. Okay, so here are my top French pages. So for example, here it's basically best process way taste. So I will ask it to just duplicate this one. Let's create in English with proper hreflang. If you're complete beginner in SEO, don't mind about this kind of thing. Just note that you can speak to ChatSEO as a complete beginner, and it will follow really precise processes. Like I've been SEO consultant since 2021, so for 4 or 5 years now, and I know exactly how to make a page or website rank on Google and on GEO, so ChatGPT, etc. So just know that this looks like a simple tool, but on the back end of it, there are really complex processes and steps that will be followed anyway. Okay, so just here it reminds me that there is no English domain for this keyword. Here, okay, so that's pretty well. Actually, we'll target this keyword that has this amount of searches each month. So I will just say, let's do this one. I'd like you to write the article, the best article you can write on it, and to publish it directly in my WordPress website. Okay. By the way, so small mistake here, but you will understand. By the way, I'm using this tool. If you want to speak to your all of your AIs, this tool is pretty great. This is not a sponsored video or whatever, but this is great, and this is free forever, because when you go in the settings here, you can just go to dictation model and models, and here you have the online thing that will be paid if you use it much. But then you have the local models, and if you have a sufficient, quite efficient computer, you can just use this one as I do, and it will be free forever. So yeah, just a little tips. Because as you can see here, ChatSEO is writing the article, so this is pretty great. You have some tables, some bullet points, etc. Relevant FAQ just here, and useful sources just here for EIT. And then it also it also created the hreflang tag. So this is pretty great. Then it will ask me if I want to publish it directly on my WordPress. Okay, so I just have to confirm the author right now. So I will just say, okay, so this is it. Okay, so here is the approval I need to do. So just yes, publish. And here it is. The draft is saved. So I could have asked it to directly publish it, but here is the draft. So as you can see, this is pretty well. This is, as I said previously, pretty basic for the moment, but make sure that we will improve that stuff. ChatSEO isn't just a CMS publisher. This is a real SEO agent, SEO expert that you can ask whatever you want, and it will answer based on real SEO processes that actually work, and will drive you traffic and revenue. So that wasn't our top priority, but now we want the tool to become more and more proactive. So that's why we are launching this feature right now. We will improve it. Our developer is currently working also on the Shopify connection, etc. So make sure to test this new tool. This is really the best SEO tool, I think, in my opinion. So just make sure to test it with the first link in the description, and I will see you next week.